You ever notice that nothing lasts anymore? Your phone slows down, your car starts needing repairs, even stuff in your house. And most people think, well, that's just how things are now. But when the same thing keeps happening across completely different parts of life, that's usually not random. That is a system. And this one is built around replacing things, not keeping them. Most people experience this as a personal problem. They think, I upgrade too often. I should have kept that longer. I just need to be more disciplined. But when the same pattern shows up everywhere, phones, cars, homes, that's usually not a habit, that's a system. There used to be a different model. You bought something, you kept it, you fixed it when it broke, and over time, the cost went down. That's ownership. But now, the system works differently. You buy something, it lasts a while, then it becomes easier or cheaper to replace than to repair. And once that shift happens, you're not really owning things anymore. You're cycling through them. Here's the core rule. Replacement makes more money than repair. If a company sells you one product that lasts 15 years, they get paid once. But if that same product is replaced every 3 to 5 years, they get paid over and over again. Now multiply that across millions of people. That's not a small difference. That's the entire business model. Phones are the easiest to see it. You don't really own your phone long term. You upgrade every couple of years. Sometimes because it slows down, sometimes because of new features, or sometimes because the battery just doesn't last. And a lot of times, it's just easier to replace it than to deal with fixing it. That's the system working exactly as designed. Now scale that up to cars. Cars are lasting longer mechanically, but financially, they're turning over faster. Longer loans, higher prices, more technology. And when something goes wrong, it's not always a simple fix anymore. It's in modules or sensors or systems. And suddenly you're asking, do I repair this or just replace the whole thing? That's the same pattern, just with bigger numbers. Now this is really where it gets interesting. Homes used to be the definition of long-term ownership, but now they're slowly moving into the same system. Smart thermostats, smart appliances, integrated systems. Is it convenient? Yeah. But when those systems fail, you're not fixing a simple part. You're replacing expensive components. And now your house isn't just a structure. It's a collection of systems that age out over time. Here's the part most people don't see. Convenience makes replacement feel normal. It's faster, it's easier, sometimes it even feels cheaper in the moment. So instead of asking, can this be repaired, the question becomes, what's the easiest next step? And most of the time, that step is replacement. Now layer financing on top of that. You got monthly payments, they'll smooth out everything, right? So instead of feeling like I just spent $1,000, it feels like I'm paying $30 a month. And that changes behavior, because now you're not deciding, do I replace this? You're deciding, can I fit this into a monthly payment? And that's how replacement becomes continuous. One replacement doesn't seem like a big deal. One phone, one car, one appliance. But over time, these cycles stack. And what feels like a few separate decisions becomes a system of ongoing payments and upgrades. Not because someone made one bad choice, but because the system keeps presenting the same choice over and over again. And this is the part that matters most. This isn't just about spending habits. It's not just about discipline. When the same pattern shows up across multiple parts of life, that's not random. That's structure. The system isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. It prioritizes repeat purchases, shorter cycles, ongoing revenue, and once you see that, a lot of things start to make more sense. So when you notice things don't last, you're not imagining it. And it's not just bad luck. You're seeing a shift in how the system works, from ownership to replacement. And once you understand that, you're not just reacting to it anymore. You're seeing it. And this isn't just about things wearing out. It's about something bigger that's been changing in the background.